Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my nighttime skincare routine and the products that I use when getting ready for bed. So let's jump on in. So I'm going to start by throwing my hair up in a ponytail to get it all off of my face, and then I use this terry cloth towel material headband to put around my hairline so that I don't get my hair wet when washing my face. So the first step in my skincare process is using a makeup removing wipe to start taking off my day's makeup. I like to use these ones here, which are for sensitive skin. I find that they're really gentle, especially around my eye area. And I use this to take off foundation, eye makeup, lipstick, anything like that. Side note, when you are removing your eye makeup, you definitely want to make sure you're very gentle around the eye area so you're not rubbing too hard, because my mother always told me that it causes wrinkles. Now sometimes if I do have a lot of eye makeup on, like liquid liner or a lot of mascara, I will grab a little bit of oil-free makeup remover. I like the one by Neutrogena, and I will use that to get the majority of my eye makeup off, but that wasn't really the case today, so I didn't do that, but I did want to mention that product because that is another favorite. Then I'm going to take my facial cleanser. I use the Glytone Acne Clearing Cleanser. It is 2% salicylic acid and it is a foam cleanser. I really love this cleanser. It controls oil production, clears out your pores, helps with any breakouts you might have, which unfortunately I do still get from time to time. So this has really been a great cleanser for me. So you mix it with a little bit of water, start to lather it up, and put it all over the skin. Once I am all nice and sudsy, I grab my Clarisonic. I have the Clarisonic Mia with the Radiant Brush Head. If you don't have one of these, you absolutely do. This thing is amazing. It really gets in and deep cleans the skin, gets all the stuff out of your pores. It also has a timer on it, so it spins for a whole minute, so it kind of tells you exactly how long to be scrubbing your face for, so you don't over exfoliate the skin either. Here's a picture of mine. I've had it for several years, and I know that there's bigger and better models out now, but for me, it does the trick. I then rinse my skin and I am going to pat dry. That is another important tip, ladies. Do not rub your face when you're drying it. Do nice, soft little pats on the skin. So my next step is going to be exfoliation. Now I don't do this every single night. I usually leave it to about once, maybe twice a week. And the one that I absolutely love and have been using for probably 2.5 years now is the Lush Ocean Salt Face and Body Scrub. It has actual sea salt in it with coconut oil, shea butter, and lime juice, which is for brightening. I just love this. I feel like I get such a good exfoliation out of it, but without making my skin feel really harsh or stripped of any of the natural oils. Plus, salt is very healing for the skin, so if you do have a little blemish or two, you can kind of leave it on there for a second and it's going to really help to heal that up. Then I am going to rinse my skin, and for this I use these little sponges, and I actually get them off of Amazon. I will list the link in the description box below, but I have found that these little sponges have been so good to me. I actually like them way better than using a washcloth, because you kind of use them once or twice and then you throw them away, so there's no way to kind of harvest bacteria or anything like that. So highly recommend using these and putting the washcloth down. Next step is going to be toner. I use the Glytone Acne Clearing Toner. Toner is really important because not only does it balance the pH levels in your skin, but this particular one can treat current acne and prevent future breakouts. It also will remove excess oil, which even after the exfoliation, after the Clarisonic, after the face wash, I still had some makeup left over. Alright, starting on the fun stuff. Serums first. What I do is I mix a pure hyaluronic acid serum, which is super hydrating, very calming for the skin, with Image Skincare's Intense Lightening Serum. This serum has vitamin C and other botanicals in it that help with both redness and discoloration. So I mix those two together and pat that on to my skin. So this next one is not something that I do every single night, but if I'm being real here, I've got a few pimples on my left cheek. So this is the Glytone Acne Gel. It is benzoyl peroxide. The cleanser and the toner and this gel actually all come in a kit. I will list it below. I really love the Glytone products, and I feel like as far as controlling my acne, they've been really amazing. So these next two products I really feel have been the game changer for my skin. The first is the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Serum, and it is actually an oil that has lavender and primrose in it, which is used to replenish the skin and change the overall skin texture, and it absolutely does. I am blown away by how much this product has changed my skin. I actually heard about the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Serum from Austin and Catherine from the Ace family. They talked about it on their nighttime routine about how much they loved it, and so I checked it out for myself, ordered it, and it has been a life changer. So shout out to Austin and Catherine. Thanks for the awesome suggestion. The next product that I am absolutely crazy about is the Tasha Water Cream Moisturizer. This stuff is so hydrating without making me feel like I'm greasy or oily. It helps with skin's overall texture, reduces pore size, and for me has just been absolutely amazing. My skin feels like silk. It also wears really well under makeup when you use it in the daytime. Next thing I do is eye cream. Very, very important. I use the Kiehl's Avocado Eye Cream. It's pretty natural. It only has a couple ingredients in it, so I really like that. It just makes the underneath of my eyes feel super hydrated. Cannot forget your lippies. That is big part of the skincare. I always do a sleep mask. This one is by Manage. I'm probably butchering that name, but it is in the vanilla scent, and it is so hydrating and makes my lips feel so soft. Final step of my skincare routine is the Mario Badescu Drying Lotion. What you do with this stuff is you don't shake it up. You're going to take a Q-tip and you're going to stick it directly down the center till you reach the pink stuff at the bottom. Pull it back out and then dab that on whatever little blemish you have. And I'm telling you, do this and by morning, those suckers are gone, dried out and flattened. So that is it, guys. That is the end of my nighttime skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it may seem like a lot to some of you, but I promise you, if you take care of your skin will thank you. I listed all the products below in the description box, so you can check that out and see if there's anything you guys want to try out. I promise you, some of these products are life-changing and you will truly enjoy them. Please subscribe to my channel, be sure to like this video, give me a big thumbs up, and comment down below on what you'd like to see me do next. I put out videos every Tuesday, so I would love to hear from you guys with some suggestions on what you would like to see. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching, and have a good rest of your night.